Honor 500 versus Poco F8 Pro. Starting with the displays, the Honor 500 offers a slightly smaller 6.55-inch AMOLED screen, but hits an impressive peak brightness of 5,000 nits with HDR Vivid, making it a beast under direct sunlight. Poco F8 Pro counters with a 6.59-inch AMOLED panel featuring Dolby Vision and HDR10+, delivering richer color depth with 68 billion colors and a higher PWM frequency for smoother visuals. Honor's AI circadian night display and dynamic dimming enhance eye comfort, whereas Poco's TÜV certifications and Gorilla Glass protection promise safety and less eye strain. The Honor's peak brightness advantage makes it ideal for outdoor use, while Poco focuses on cinematic color and eye health. Under the hood, the Poco F8 Pro runs on the Snapdragon 8 Elite built on a 3nm process, featuring a powerful octa-core CPU with 2 cores clocked at 4.32 GHz and the Adreno 830 GPU, making it a clear leader in raw performance and gaming. The Honor 500 uses the Snapdragon 8S Gen 4 on 4nm, still strong but noticeably less powerful, with a top core at 3.21 GHz and Adreno 825 GPU. If speed and future-proofing matter most, Poco's chipset is the game-changer here. When it comes to standout features, Honor 500 impresses with its dual-ring design, ultra-smooth 120Hz refresh rate paired with a 300Hz touch sampling rate, and AI-powered wide-angle selfie enhancements. Poco F8 Pro counters with Bose tuned stereo speakers for immersive sound, advanced vapor chamber cooling to maintain performance under load, and an ultrasonic fingerprint sensor for speedy, secure unlocks. Both pack eye comfort tech, but Poco's HyperOS 3.0 offers a sleek, user-friendly experience. These features highlight Honor's focus on display interaction and selfie tech versus Poco's multimedia and system optimization. The Honor 500's headline is its massive 200-megapixel main sensor with OIS and PDAF, delivering unparalleled detail, supported by a 12-megapixel ultra-wide lens. Poco F8 Pro takes a different route, offering a versatile triple camera setup, including a 50-megapixel wide, 50-megapixel telephoto with 2.5x optical zoom and OIS, plus an 8-megapixel ultra-wide, making it a more flexible shooter. For video, Poco pushes boundaries with 8K recording and multiple slow-motion options, while Honor sticks to 4K but with gyro EIS and OIS. If sheer megapixels and resolution are your priority, Honor leads. For zoom versatility and video, Poco shines. Digging deeper, Honor 500's AI-enhanced low-light photography and night mode ensure stunning shots in challenging conditions, while Poco F8 Pro's periscope telephoto lens with OIS and dual-pixel PDAF delivers crisp zoomed-in images with accurate color thanks to its color spectrum sensor. Both phones have LED flash and portrait modes, but Poco's optical zoom and sensor tech gives it an edge for detail and color fidelity in zoomed photos. Battery life is a clear win for Honor 500, packing a massive 8,000 mAh battery that promises extended usage without worry. Poco's 6,210 mAh is respectable, but noticeably smaller. For heavy users or those frequently away from chargers, Honor's battery capacity is a game-changer. Both phones sport a premium glass front and aluminum frame, delivering a solid and sleek feel. There's parity here, so build quality won't be a deciding factor for most users. Durability-wise, Honor 500 goes a step further with IP68, IP69K certification, meaning it's not only dust-tight and water-resistant, but can handle high-pressure water jets and immersion up to 1.5 meters for 30 minutes. Poco F8 Pro offers IP68 dust and water resistance, but lacks the higher IP69 rating. For ruggedness, Honor's extra certification is a plus. Memory options are quite similar, with both offering configurations up to 512 GB with 12 or 16 GB RAM. Poco F8 Pro adds a 1TB variant with 16 GB RAM for users craving maximum storage and multitasking power, giving it an edge for power users. Price-wise, Poco F8 Pro comes in significantly cheaper, starting around $650 plus, while Honor 500 is priced above $850. This price difference, combined with Poco's flagship chipset and versatile camera setup, makes it a strong value proposition. But does it outweigh Honor's superior battery and camera resolution?